Hello guys, and hope doing well. Today I made super sensitive single transistor EMF field detector. As you can see when I'm shaking the paper, the magnetic field will make some effect on LED and the indicator with blinking, and this blinking depended to the field strength. I have several videos about micro-based EMF detectors, analog EMF detectors, and op-amp detectors, but this one is single transistor EMF detector, and it is really sensitive, and I believe if we connect output of this transistor to op-amp, it could be very amazing project. I will try to do this for the next project. But the thing is, the transistor that I used is this one. I take this FET transistor from Electret microphone. You can open it gently and take it out. This one. The emitter should be connected to the negative pin, and the collector should connect to the positive over 33 kilo ohm resistor, like that. Of course, the LED should be between the resistor and the collector of transistor. The short pin is the gate or base of transistor. It should connect to the antenna 30 centimeter to 40 centimeter, but I used a small loop antenna, and as you can see, I used the PCB of the electret, and I did not desolder the welded transistor because of the pins are sensitive, and this is my next test to have it correctly. For the next video, I will try to connect this FET to op-amp and will make one video. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.